Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'm going to show you one of our 10-inch low-cost basic HMIs that has a 1024 by 600 resolution and a resistive touchscreen. It also supports over 300 plus Ethernet and serial protocols. It's the HMI5100Bv2. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it looked like when you first open the box. You will see the warranty and the installation guide. Then next is the HMI5100Bv2, and it's wrapped in anti-static. Put that aside for now. It also comes with some accessories. Right here, you'll have some mounting brackets and screws for panel mounting. Okay, I'm gonna remove the HMI from the anti-static plastic. Here is the HMI5100Bv2. It is a 10-inch TFT LCD 1024 by 600 resolution resistive touchscreen. It has a dual RISC CPU, so it has two powerful processing cores and an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. On the back of the HMI, there is a detachable green power connector, which is used for a 24 volt DC power supply. And on the bottom of the HMI, you have two DE9 serial COM ports, which are used for various serial protocols. Then there is one USB 2.0 host port, which is used for uploading, downloading, extended memory, so it's used for backing up your files. Then there is one RJ45 Ethernet LAN port, which is used for uploading, downloading, and going online with your HMI. And it's also used for various Ethernet protocols. Okay, now I'm going to power on the HMI. So I have a power supply going into the HMI, and I also have an Ethernet cable going into the LAN port on the HMI because a little later on, I'm going to download the EBPro project onto the HMI. So I'm going to turn on the power supply, and you'll see the HMI start to boot up. And then it will load the demo project onto the HMI. Now, the demo project that you are seeing on the screen right now does not come with the HMI. You will need to download this project from the Maple Systems website, and I'll show you where to find that a little later on when we download a project to this HMI. So I remoted into the HMI to show the demo project in VNC, and I'm just gonna walk you through some of the features in the demo project, and then I'll go through some of the system settings in the HMI. Now, to download this demo project, to see this demo project on your HMI, you'll need to go to the Maple Systems website, and you'll go to the sample projects page, and then you'll click the EBPro project right here and download it. Then you will open up the project in EBPro and download to your HMI. So let's go through the demo project here. So I'm going to use my mouse in VNC. So go to the first one here, numeric object. So here you can just enter a numeric object. It opens up a keypad. Let's just do 45, for example, and then that will show up. That is a numeric object entry. Go home. You can also do bit lamp, toggle switch. So this shows you how a toggle works with a bit lamp. Let's go to tank level bar chart. It's going to simulate a bar chart here. Let's go to another one. Data sampling and trending. It shows a simulated trend display and also a history data display as well. Let's go back home. Let's go to a dynamic bar chart, and this one shows a simulated dynamic bar chart. And let's go to recipes, and here you can see a recipe example. Let's go back home. Now you can look at all this if you download it to your HMI from the Maple Systems website. Now I want to go through the system settings in the HMI. And to do that, there is an arrow here in the bottom right corner. So I'm gonna use my stylus and my resistive touch screen. I'm gonna click that arrow, and it opens up this window here, and then you'll see a gear icon. So you click the gear icon, and you'll need to enter an admin password to get to your system settings. And by default, that admin password is 6 ones. So we're gonna enter 6 ones. So 111, 111, then click OK, and it'll open up your system settings. So here are your system settings. I'm gonna go back to VNC and use my mouse. So you can edit your IP address here, and if you press next, it'll show your time and date, security settings. You can clear recipe, clear event log, clear data log. You can change your HMI name. You can also upgrade your OS. You can enable VNC. Now, in order to enable VNC viewer, you need to do start VNC single connection, and then you'll need to enter the admin password, which is 6 ones, to access VNC for this HMI. Then click next. You can also change the brightness. If you look in the bottom left corner, we'll just dim the brightness. You can see it dimming, and then we'll make it bright again. Hit next again. Here you can hide mouse. You can disable the keyboard beep sound or enable it. And Easy Access 2.0, you'll need a separate license for. You can also change your language, and then back to network. So those are your system settings in your HMI. Now I'm gonna go into EBPro, and I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Here in EBPro, I first want to show you the 300 plus Ethernet and serial driver protocols you can choose from in your HMI 5000 project. To do that, go to System Parameters and then choose New Device/Server. And then you click the arrow here where device type is, and then you can see all those drivers here. You can also just click here and then the drop-down menu, and you can choose the 300 plus Ethernet and serial protocols, and then you can add them to your project. Now I'm going to download this project to the HMI. To do that, go to Project, Download. Make sure you have the correct IP address here. Check off runtime if you're downloading for the first time, and then click Download. It'll take some time for the project to download to the HMI. You can look in the bottom right corner in the camera feed. Then it's going to say downloading files. And it'll say finished. It'll reboot the HMI. Then it'll say all finished in EBPro. And then it will load that demo project onto the HMI. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our basic HMI line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.